Great to have you with us on SABC News. South African courts can prosecute terrorist offences that take place outside the country. That was confirmed by the Constitutional Court today. It also means Nigerian terrorist Henry Okah will have to serve his 24 years in jail. Okah was convicted on 13 terror-related charges for 2 bombings in Nigeria in 2010.
The chaotic scenes in Abuja during Independence Day celebrations. 12 people died and 36 others were injured. The rebel group men claimed responsibility. Its leader, Henry Okah, was arrested a day later at his Johannesburg home for masterminding the attack. Months earlier, he orchestrated another bombing in Warri while visiting Nigeria. It claimed 1 life. Okah was sentenced to 24 years by the High Court in Johannesburg, but later appealed. The Supreme Court of Appeals agreed with him that South Africa did not have the authority to try him for crimes outside its borders. His sentence was reduced to 20 years. But the National Director of Public Prosecutions, who also tried the matter, also appealed.
This court holds that Section 15(1) of the Act does confer extraterritorial jurisdiction on South African courts to try terrorist offences that occur outside South Africa, even beyond mere financing of an offence.
Okah's attempt to quash his conviction was also rejected.
The court finds that both the Warri and Abuja bombings violated international humanitarian law. Mr. Okah can therefore not find protection under this provision of the statute.
The court also set aside the Supreme Court of Appeals' reduced sentence.
It is the vindication of the rule of law, and it is really in the interest of justice.
Okah has reached the end of the legal road here.
It is not what we expected. It is a terrible blow. As you can see, Mrs. Okah can't handle it.
Henry Okah's hopes for freedom have been dashed. He has no legal options left in South Africa and will have to serve the full 24-year sentence for the terrorism charges. His lawyers, though, are not ruling out the possibility of appealing the matter in an international court. Mangoba Mkudu, SABC News at the Constitutional Court in Johannesburg.